Millions of Americans have been impacted by some severe weather this week.
Snow, damaging wind, rain. Many states are now evaluating the damage left behind. NBC's Erin McLaughlin has the latest.
Overnight, torrential rain drenching the Northeast as lightning lit up the night sky across Pennsylvania and New York, causing chaos on the ground and in the air, with multiple ground stops and hundreds of flight delays. Down south, a suspected tornado hit a school in Dothan, Alabama, sending students rushing out of classrooms when a roof collapsed, injuring 5. This morning, we're getting confirmation that tornadoes also touched down in Louisiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and Mississippi. In Pensacola, Florida, a spring break super soaker slammed the beach, with this video showing a possible water spout in the area. It's all part of a powerful storm system stretching from New Orleans to New York. The extreme weather coming just days after a storm system killed 7 across Oklahoma, Indiana, and Michigan, where freezing rains and gusty winds have knocked down power lines. Nearly 300,000 customers waking up this morning with no electricity.
The biggest challenge right now is to make sure that we get the power restored for customers before the next round of weather hits.
Dangerous road conditions forcing authorities in Michigan to close the Mackinac Bridge.
The ice you see behind me is some of the worst ice we've ever seen on the Mackinac Bridge.
And in Indiana, cleanup from Sunday's storms underway. Residents of all ages amazed by the storm's strength.
I could hear roaring, and the birds were going everywhere. All of a sudden, just a big burst of wind just came, and I just watched a tree go over in the backyard. My neighbor behind me, the tree fell down, landed on my fence.